This tutorial will go over how to install software using the CIO Central software repository. First, navigate to the Prism homepage. From the Prism homepage, select IT Services. From this submenu, select Online Service Desk. From the Online Service Desk homepage, select CIO Central. From the CIO Central homepage, select Request Something. From here, navigate to the Software menu. When the software list loads, scroll to the software you're looking to install. In this particular case, we're going to install Java version 8. Select the software that you want to install, and then from the submenu, fill out the form. Remember to choose that you agree to the terms and conditions and select Submit.